Hey everyone, today I'm gonna share with you how I make a card slot holder with 2 slots, and it's very easy as a beginner asked me to share. So the first one, this is the men's side fabric and flamingo, so cute. The side of the interfacing, I use heavyweight interfacing, and the side of the interfacing is 5 inches wide by 12 inches long, and I cut the fabric 5.5 inches by 12.5 inches long. This is the main side, and the lining side I cut in interfacing 5 inches wide, 13.5 inches long, and the fabric I use the pink, and the side is 5.5 inches by 14 inches long. I'm going to place the right side together, and I'm going to sew right here on the 1/4 of an inch, that's the seam allowance. Okay, you're gonna go down to here. Remember the interfacing, go in there at the sew line, make sure everything is in place or you press, and then you're going to bring half up here and you press this down. Now you can see at the end here I have a 1/4 of an inch and this is very cute everyone, you're gonna love this. Right at the fold here, I'm gonna go and top stitch this one. Here, I'm gonna go and iron on this side. Just wanna make sure everything is staying down for me. Now you have the pocket this way, and then it's like this, and then this. On this side, it's very simple, no measurement, nothing. You're gonna bring this side and to mark on this side. Go in this here and make sure you see this side right here. Make sure it line up right there. Bring it down. Fold in this way. Mark the line right there. Bringing this out. Going to iron this. Super easy. And now you have this side and this side is the same. That's why I'm folding this to get the side. Okay, and then I'm gonna go and bring in this down. It's a 1/4 of an inch on this side. Go into the fold like this. Super easy. I have to doing this and then keep track with the weather at the same time because we're gonna have a storm, everyone, snowstorm. So this fold on here, you're gonna go and top stitch. You can see we have 2 sides of the pocket on this one too. We're gonna bring this over this way. Now you can see this side got even, and on this side too. And now you're going to round this side from the side where the interfacing, and going to mark 1.5 inches and then 1.5 inches here, and then I round this area. Just like so. Same thing to this side. You can do 1.5 inches, and then down here 1.5 inches. I don't have the round ruler, it's in the basement. I'm too lazy to go, but this is easy. Just round this. You're going to sew, start sewing from here You're gonna sew all the way here, go to here, go here, go all the way down to the bottom. Okay, it's nighttime, it's a little dark. I'm sorry about that, everyone. On the side here, feel free to trim a little bit with the extra fabric in the center here, in the middle with a pocket, so it's not too thick here. Just like that, the inside layer. And do the same thing to this side. Take this layer out, or you can do all, but I'm gonna keep the layer on the side and then just trim the inside. Go inside and trim this, because with the pocket we fold and everything, trim a little bit like that. Let's find the opening space. It's here. Like this on the side. I'm gonna bring this out. And now go and push all the side around. It's so cute. So pretty. And then on the top here with the flap, you're gonna flap this down and iron this too. You see the little ping on the lining show on that? So cute. Go and top stitch. You're gonna sew from the bottom here, go all around to the top, go on the flap, go all around down to here. So it, because it's thick, so I'm gonna go and fold the fabric to the same thickness. It's nighttime, everyone, that's why you can see. I'm gonna change my nail because this color make me look like a monkey. Let's just do the button, everyone. I love this button. Check in my description box. You're gonna love this. This is, you don't need to use a special tool. Just this come with it. So I'm gonna go and fold it in half. Press in the center down. I'm gonna go in about, I would do about 1/2 inch. And I'm going to poke the hole. It come with the whole thing, so you're going to use this one, the place. Go in the back, get this in. You're going to take one side of this, place it in here, and then you're going to press it in. Now you're going to move this down here and make sure everything is center, and you press this so you can have the hole for this one. If it's too small, try to make it bigger. Go into here. Make sure you press all the way down. Okay, and then this one, go right on top of this, and then you use this. So pretty. This wallet take you a few minutes, and you have one pocket here and then another pocket right here. Super easy. And then snap button, and put the your card, you can put it down this way. You can add more on this like this if you want to. Charlie card, and then the money you can put on this side here, and then snap. Done. Ta-da! That's it, everyone. You see the line and fabric show a little pink in here. That is so pretty. Good, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for all of you that support my channel membership, and also comment on my video and share with the other people. The flamingo go up and down this way. It's not like that. It's not like I just shot them. It go all over, up and down. All right, everyone. Love you. Take care. Stay safe.